In this video, I'm going to show you how to add the click select effect in CapCut Pro. Let's get started. Open CapCut Pro and create a new project. Tap the import button and select the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. Now, go to the Effects tab. Under the video effects, use the search bar and type click select. Once you found the effect, tap the add button to add it to the track. Drag the edges of the effect layer to match the timing of the effect. After that, go to the toolbar and adjust the speed slider to match the timing of the effect. Now to use the same effect on another clip, just copy the effect layer, move the playhead to the next section, and paste it where needed. After that, play back your video to see how the click select effect works. Once you're satisfied with the result, tap the export button to save your project. And that's it. You've successfully added the click select effect in CapCut Pro. Thanks for watching and happy editing. If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks.